Hey, it's Sammy. On Monday, March 24th, we took 5 trades today for 159 points in Dow, or the YM symbol. Let's take a look at how everything broke down. When we got to the desk today, the market had already moved a tremendous amount overnight, so we'll see how we played it all out today. All right, this was our first trade. You could see to the left, we had our value area high where that little pattern is right there, and the market pulled back. Came back and gave us an opportunity to get back in. We had some data. Now, we were aiming for this deviation band, but the market just stalled out right here. This happens sometimes, but that's why we use this break even, moving our stop loss in to protect the trade. And you see, we took a break even trade, looking for the next opportunity and moving on. This is kind of the trade we were actually looking for right here. You can see we were pushing up on that last trade. Notice our little sell algorithm fired right over to the left. Everything's starting to decay on that data, and now our short time frame data is starting to pull this trade down. Now, of course, VPOC shifted down here, so there's a lot of volume right here. Buyers and sellers looking for value, Fibonacci level, the whole works. We're going to trail that stop down to protect it in case anything happens. And punching around here with this VPOC, we're just going to go ahead and lock in 42 points. So you can see we came off that pink line down there. That's the open trade. That was that open short we were just taking. Now we're coming back up, and you can see we're punching through. Our data is coming back into alignment. We're pushing a new overnight high. We're aiming for that 176 fib. We're going to end up locking 42 points on this trade. That market had moved so much to the long side, just testing these areas over and over. Now our data is completely decayed on the high time frames. You can see everything is now skewing to these shorts. So we're going to take this short right here, and we're going to aim down here for that previous resistance in that VWAP area. Now, as we're testing this 176.4 Fibonacci extension, very powerful level, we're going to go ahead and lock in 41 points. Look left, you can see we locked in that previous short. The market came back up, and it's giving us another opportunity. This is the new hour bar at 1 p.m. So the lunch crew's back to push the market further short, I guess. So we're going to take this short. You can see we got some really powerful data in the optimizer for this short. I'm literally 5 minutes late for a strategy session. We got a lot of great points out of this trade. We're just going to lock in 34 points. Have a great rest of the day.